Alright, you need to check this out. You see, some time ago, we had been approached by an aesthetic clinic that needed our help with their marketing. So the aesthetic clinic was expanding their outlets, but here's the thing, we didn't get to meet up, at least not initially. You see, they are 5 hours away from our office, and they've been spending a fortune on advertising like road shows, brochures, flyers, word of mouth, referrals, you name it. Now here's the problem with those methods though. These are dying methods. So as a result, they're frustrated, they are struggling, and they realize that this cannot be scaled, it cannot be measured, and I mean, how the heck do you scale word of mouth? So as a digital marketing team, I had a meeting and we came up with a strategy for them pronto. The main mission objective, to send qualified leads to the clinic outlets using social media so they can do their own closing. We nailed down the game plan and got to work right away, creating the campaign, writing the ad creatives, and start putting them in front of the eyeballs that matter. So what were the results like? Let's check it out. Last month, we generated for them 131 new leads through Facebook and Instagram. Imagine that, 131 people knocking on your door, wanting to know about your product or service. Cost per lead, 22 ringgit and 80 cents. And we spent close to 3,000 ringgit. And as you can see here, this is significantly less costly compared to the traditional advertising like newspapers, which can cost many times more. More importantly, let's look at the ROI. Now, we can't disclose their exact figures, but level with me on this. Let's say their average price is 2,000 ringgit and only 10% of the leads do walk in and become a customer. That's at least 26,000 ringgit. And you know what that means? The ROI or return on investment is nearly 9-fold. Imagine that. Now tell me, what kind of marketing can bring in that kind of ROI? So it's not a surprise that they've been a happy camper with us ever since. Why am I telling you all of this? Because it's simple. Nowadays, your customers, your clients, your prospects are mostly hanging out in one place, and that's your phone, or at least behind a computer screen. They're not spending time on like newspapers, staring at billboard ads, or watching TV or listening to the radio, at least not the way they used to, okay? So a lot of their attention span is nowadays on the phone. But this is good news for ordinary folks like you and me, because if you can spare at least 20 ringgit a day, you can start advertising on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram rather inexpensively and start getting leads and sales. Unfortunately though, most people tend to get it wrong. So they use technology with the mindset of the old. And as a result, it's kind of like using a stylus on a notepad, and that's exactly what a lot of people are doing out there. Now, if you want to know how you can start getting leads and sales online the same way we did it for this aesthetic clinic client, then I have an invitation for you. I would like to invite you to my upcoming Business Wealth Workshop, where I share in this live 2-hour class on how you can leverage on digital marketing to start roping in clients, customers, and potential leads to your business. I know the importance of giving value first, so I'm gonna make this class free of charge. All you need to do is bring yourself. And if you'd like me to coach you, well, let's cross that bridge later. So for now, here's what I would like you to do. You either click on this post or go to the link edmundlow.net/BWW and register ASAP because spots are limited. My name is Edmund and thanks for watching. I'll see you there.